Hey YouTube, welcome to episode 4 I'm just going through the Thai tourism commercial. This was a scene of a Thai dinner. Thailand is a hospitable country and it's one of the main reasons why I love it so much. Let's get into it. It's a practical and I motivated that practical with a 2x2 light mat, just kind of up here, and that's my key. There's the top light. And this is a very simple scene. It's not difficult at all. It's like what I like to try and do is I like to motivate what's there. Especially if you're trying to get a natural scenario to look natural, you use what's there. You just add to it to accentuate it. We had a whole bunch of asteras over here behind camera. Sets at 3,200. And that was just filling in the shadows on the back. So it was motivating what was happening on the top. So there was this natural fall off onto the back, but there wasn't enough light. So I just put asteras around and it helped with that fall off from the top light. I had a slider over here. So in that direction. We shot on an 18mm Canon FD. In these scenarios where there's a lot of one color light, so in this case there's a lot of 3,200 Kelvin, so it's a lot of orange. I like to break it up with a white or a blue or just something to break up the image. I feel like if you use one light, I don't know, it can make the scene a little bit jarring and like overwhelming and a little bit flat, to be honest. You can kind of see the light kind of over here pinging on that surface. I had a 600D and that was bouncing into a door and it almost looks like a bathroom light. At the back over here by the window, I had a 300D on a lantern with a CTB on very soft power, and that kind of just created a little bit of fill there, and that's that blue coming from the outside window. That's it, very simple. So it's like practical from the top. There's a 600D bouncing into the door, creating like a bathroom light. A 300D with the lantern, soft power, kind of creating a little bit of luminescence from outside, and 3 Astera tubes. And I think it's a natural looking frame, and I think it turned out really beautifully, and I'm really happy with it. Let me know if you guys want to see anything else, commercials and short films. What would you want to see and what would help you? See you on the next one. Cheers.